John McKeag here with Liberty Aid Academy, where you're going to find financial freedom. This is the Trust Crash Course, where you'll learn how to protect any and all assets without personal liability. Tax-free trust is what we're talking about, and it's for any individual or any business. That's right. You can operate tax-free as an individual or business, completely legal. You're not going to pay taxes ever. Okay, you're automatically a 501c3, tax exempt, right? A nonprofit, automatically under the subsection conventions immediately. Okay, and you never have to report taxes by the same verbiage, the same wording. You don't report taxes. It's legal for anyone to do. We teach you how to do it. You can protect your assets, your money, right? Your crypto, your vehicles, your mobile homes, your boats, your homes, your businesses, everything can fall under this status. Oh yeah, we made it quick and easy. You just watch the video, you make a few choices, print out your documents, go to the bank, open your bank account. Really, one business day is all it takes. You get automatic 501c3 status. This is according to the SBA, the business, Small Business Administration. This is the government. They're telling you right here. You can read it in detail. But it says, look at that last sentence, such organizations are not required to apply to the IRS to receive tax exempt status. Yep, that's right, that's true. And they tell you yourself. What's different about Liberty Aid Academy? Our support, live chat and email, and also live advising sessions you can get. And our testimonials all have notarized affidavits. Unbelievable, right? You can build unlimited wealth for your trust, like with the PPP program, EIDL, that SBA money, also credit cards, lines of credit, auto loans, and so on. And all of these report to the business credit report, not your personal credit report. Where can you do this, trust? Any bank, wherever you're banking now, really. Any bank, it's legal to do it anywhere. This is a McKeag Mastery Trust, okay? It's amazing. You get everything with the Trust 101 Foundation course. You also get the business, which is, the PDF of how to do this, a downloadable workbook, the trust documents. You get an hour instruction video, full student access, okay? You get all that. That comes with the Trust 101, but you also get the the Business Finance 101 course. It's how you build credit and so on for the trust. It's amazing. And you also get 2 30-minute advising sessions with me, John McKeag, at your own timing. And there's a secret video library you get as well that goes along with this, the McKeag Mastery Trust. So if you need us, we have live chat. We're on libertyaidacademy.org. We have email support, contact at libertyaidacademy.org. We're here if you need us. Just let us know.